शहरातील एका प्रतिष्ठित डॉक्टरांच्या हॉस्पिटलमध्ये घुसून एका जमावाने डॉक्टरांशी असभ्य वर्तन करण्याबरोबरच हॉस्पिटलमधील साहित्याची तोडफोड केली आहे। या घटनेचा निषेध करून बेळगाव IMA संघटनेने मंगळवारी खासगी हॉस्पिटल्स आणि दवाखान्यातील OPD सेवा बंद ठेवण्याचा निर्णय घेतला आहे, असे बेळगाव IMAचे अध्यक्ष डॉक्टर अनिल पाटील यांनी सांगितले आहे।
Now today's press meet we had, this was regarding the yesterday's incident which occurred about the attack on one of our IMA member, Dr. Rohit Joshi, practicing at Maruti Galli, Belgaum. We condemn this act which was done by a group of people belonging to a particular organization, a so-called organization. This act is totally condemned by the IMA and even our state president and has condemned this. This has done by some different intention by these people, because the patient and the patient's father, they never had any such complaints when they were treated by Dr. Rohit, and then when they went for further treatment to civil hospital. Now this has created a lot of fear among doctors, and not only among doctors and also among general public, because this will make us think twice before we try to handle any such situation in future whenever a serious patient comes to us, or any person who comes from a particular organization. Should we handle such patients or not? This also is a very serious issue, because such attack on doctors have been happening quite frequently. But then we have always done a silent, silently we have condemned it. But then we have not gone to the extreme step of filing any complaint. Now this time we decided that we will keep our OPDs closed for today, and then not only this, that we are going to complain this to the district administration, also to the police commissioner, and then file an FIR against the people who are involved in such violence.
डॉक्टरांना कोणत्याही परिस्थितीत मारहाण करू नये किंवा हॉस्पिटलचे नुकसान करू नये असा न्यायालयाचा आदेश असताना हे प्रकार सातत्याने घडत आहेत। त्यामुळे मंगळवारी सकाळी IMAच्या वतीने जिल्हाधिकाऱ्यांची भेट घेऊन त्यांना परिस्थितीची कल्पना देण्यात आली, त्यांच्याशी चर्चाही करण्यात आली, असे डॉक्टर अनिल पाटील यांनी सांगितले।